Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to language learning. As you know, this is the daily lesson channel. So today we're going to be learning how to pronounce alphabets in Sepedi language. So we're going to be seeing how different alphabets are pronounced in Sepedi. So without the waste of time, let's get right in our today's video. Enjoy. So the first alphabet we have A. So A is pronounced as A. A is pronounced as A. The second one we have B. B is pronounced as B. B is pronounced as The next one we have C. So in Sepedi language we do not have words containing the letter C. So we do not have words including the letter C. So the next one we have D. D is pronounced as D. D is pronounced as D. The next one we have E. E is pronounced as A. E is pronounced as A. Next one we have G. G is pronounced as R. G is pronounced as R. The next one we have H. H is pronounced as H. H is pronounced as H. The next one we have I. I is pronounced as E. I is pronounced as E. The next one we have J. J is pronounced as J. J is pronounced as J. The next one we have K. K is pronounced as K is pronounced as The next one we have L. So L is pronounced as R. L. R. The next one we have M. 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 N. N is pronounced as N. N. The next one we have O. O is pronounced as O. 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 The next one we have P. So P is pronounced as P. P. So the next one we have Q. So in Sepedi language you also do not have the words including the letter Q. So we're going to skip it and we're going to the letter R. So R is pronounced as R. 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 The next one we have S. S. S is pronounced as S. The next one we have T. T is pronounced as T. T. The next one we have U. So U is pronounced as U. U is pronounced as U. 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 W is pronounced as W. 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 Y. Y is pronounced as Y. Y is pronounced as Y. The last letter we have Z, and we also do not have words in Sepedi that includes the letter Z. Again, I have also launched an online Sepedi lesson where you can book one-to-one lessons with me. I can guide you and teach you more of Sepedi language. So besides that, I would like to thank all of people that have subscribed and that are engaging, and I would also like to thank people that are engaging. And if you would like to get hold of me, I have put my email where you can send queries on the comment section. So for today is